Hey YouTube, in the previous two videos we were learning about MessageBox, and in this video we're going to combine both the knowledge of string and inputting text into the MessageBox. So we're going to combine both of those knowledges plus a new little handy code in this video. So go ahead and open up Visual Basic. You're going to want to add a button and a text box into your program. Now when you place the text box, go ahead and make it multi-line. This does not actually matter. You don't have to have it multi-line, but I want you guys to get used to having a multi-line text box. Then of course we're going to need a button, and go ahead and rename that button to whatever you would like. I am going to name it to display. Go ahead and double click the button, and we're going to go ahead and type in, you guess it, message box. So we're going to first type you said. Actually, we don't want said, you typed. And then we're going to say and sign, and then we're going to say textbox1 dot text. Then we're adding an entire new code so we can display your username at the very bottom of this. And then we can say and VB new line, then space underscore enter and sign. Now we can continue on a brand new line. Now we can say you typed and environment dot user name dot toString. What this is going to do is, let's say your username is not in the form of a string, which I would not see why it wouldn't be. This is just going to convert it to a string no matter what. Even if it's a string, it's going to convert it from a string to a string. If it's an integer, it's going to convert it from an integer to a string. So it's just going to keep any conflicting issues out of the way. And then, so it's going to display the username. What we actually want to say, have a little dash in front of it, and then put an and sign. So what this is going to look like is, let's go ahead and run it. So hit start. Let's type some information. So some information about this program. So now when we hit display, we have you typed some information about this program. Then on a new line, like no matter what, this will be on a new line. It'll have dash username. My username is Corey Haas, and it pops up just Corey because that's my real username. It's not Corey Haas. That's just my profile name. So it's going to say Corey. Then we can have it display other information, but it doesn't really matter. So just to prove to you that no matter what, it goes on a new line. That's what it's going to look like. So that's all for this tutorial. We have our personal string that we can't change from inside the application. We had to change it through the programming. And then we have the inputted text, which we can change no matter what. That is a changeable variable. This one's we're not able to change from inside the application. And that's all for this tutorial. The next video we'll be learning about advanced message boxes and how we can mess with those. And I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about the message box, the advanced one, in the next tutorial. So stay tuned for that video.